Problems 5 through 8 on your practice quiz for 5.3 and 5.4 have to do with slope-intercept. So you're writing it in slope-intercept form when you're given a point and a slope. So what you're going to have to do with these problems is you're actually going to be, you're already given your slope, which is awesome. You already know your m, but you still need to solve for your y-intercept, which is b, by plugging in your x and y value into the equation. So let's work through that. So number 5 says, my point is 2, 5, and my slope is 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my x and y values as well as my 3 into my equation. So y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to plug in my numbers. So my y value is 5. So 5 equals my m value, which is 3, times my x value, which is 2, and I am solving for b. That's what I'm still trying to figure out. So I'm going to continue simplifying. I have 5 equals, and then 3 times 2 gives me 6, plus b. And now in order to get b by itself, I need to get rid of the 6, or I need to move it. And if it's a positive 6, that means I need to subtract it from both sides to get b by itself. So in this case, 5 minus 6 gives me a -1, and b, which equals b, because this cancels out. So I figured out my b, which is awesome. And now I just need to write my final equation. So my final equation then is y equals 3, because that's my slope value, x, and then my b value is -1, so -1. So do the same thing for problems 6, 7, and 8 by plugging in your x and y values into the equation to solve for b, and then write your final equation.